Value Dual Nail Form Set. Come with 100 pcs T-shape quick building gel nail molds with box, 10 pcs clear nail tip clips, 1% dual-ended nail gel brush, 1% nail file, 1% nail buffer and 1% cuticle fork. Easy and all-round nail extension form tip kit for nail art lovers and beginners. Durable quality gel nail molds. The clear extension forms are made of environmentally friendly ABS material, safe for nails and odorless, sturdy to last for 2 to 3 weeks. Reusable and easy to clean. Nail molds with rising tail for easily holding and free of sticky hand. Variety of sizes with scales. 10 different sizes offer the perfect choices fit your nail most. Great length and curvature. Flat T-shape dual forms make nail extension more natural. With guides on each nail form, convenient for you to extend the length you desire. Versatile gel nail molds. In terms of the clear making lines, you can use our T-shape clear extension forms to make various nail shapes, including coffin ballerina nail tips, stiletto nail tips, almond, oval, mountain tips, round tips, etc. Every girl deserves this stylish dual nail forms kit. Super easy to use. Our nail gel forms give you endless possibility to build your own style gel nails. You can decor the gel nails with your favorite ornaments or file the shape you like. T-shape gel nail extension molds help you easily get charming nails at home within minutes. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, easy to use. It is a great product for new acrylic, gel, or polygel users. I was able to do my nails in half the time it usually takes me, so I definitely recommend it, and all the additional things it comes with besides the dual forms are a plus.